Dirt happens. Pollution builds up. Rain, humidity, and time leave their mark. And suddenly, your surfaces look older than they really are. But what if cleaning could be this easy? Introducing Guard Wash Express, the ultra-fast cleaner designed to restore the original beauty of mineral surfaces. Black stains, green and red stains, organic dirt, gone. No harsh scrubbing, no endless cleaning, no complicated process, just powerful action. Fast, deep, effective. Just spray, wait, rinse, and watch the transformation. In the blink of an eye, your terrace, facade, roof, and outdoor surfaces look like new again. Concrete, stone, render, terracotta, wood, one solution for almost every exterior surface. Guard Wash Express, years of dirt, gone in minutes.